Ẹ káalẹ́ o, ẹ sì kú dédé wòyí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí inú kíláàsì Yorùbá láti ọ̀dọ̀ ACAV Foundation. Ní àṣálẹ́ yìí, a ó máa kọ́ nípa ìkíra ẹni tí àwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní greetings. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn olóyìnbó ṣe gbàgbọ́ nínú kán kíra wọn, àwa Yorùbá a gbàgbọ́ púpọ̀ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ká kíra wa. The Yoruba people, we believe in greetings. Greeting is Yoruba things. A ó máa kọ́ nípa bí a ti ń kíra wa ní àkókò kọ̀ọ̀kan. Just as it depends on the days, the timing of the days for the English people, it also depends on the timing of the days for Yoruba people. However, in English, the first thing they say, hello or hi. But this is not the same in Yoruba. Yoruba people, báwo ni, meaning hello, báwo ni, hi. Yoruba believe this is very, very rude. You can only say báwo ni to someone that is of your age group or to someone that is lower to you, like people that are very younger to you. Àwọn Yorùbá gbàgbọ́ wípé tá a bá lo báwo ni, ẹni tí a bá sọ sí ó ní láti jẹ́ ẹni tí ó kéré sí wa tàbí ẹni tí a jọ dọ́gba ní ọjọ́ orí. Tí àwọn Yorùbá bá pàdé ara wọn, ohun àkọ́kọ́ tí a kọ́kọ́ máa ń ṣe ni pé ká kíra wa ẹ káàárọ̀, depending on the timing of the day. Ẹ káàárọ̀, good morning. Ẹ káàárọ̀, good morning. Tàbí ọ̀sán, afternoon. Ẹ káàsán, good afternoon. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, good evening. Ẹ káalẹ́, good evening. Now you see, in English, it can either be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. But this is different in Yoruba. Yoruba people have two different kinds of evening. The early evening, which is between the hours of 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. or the late evening, which is between 7 p.m. and 12 a.m. Àwọn Yorùbá tá bá fẹ́ kíra wa ẹ káàárọ̀, ojúmọmọ, àárọ̀, morning. Ẹ káàsán, afternoon. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, which is the early evening. Aago mẹ́rin ìrọ̀lẹ́ sí aago méje alẹ́, òun ni ìrọ̀lẹ́ ní èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ káalẹ́, good evening. Aago méje sí aago méjìlá òwúrọ̀, aago méje alẹ́ sí aago méjìlá òwúrọ̀. Ẹ káalẹ́, good evening. That is the late evening in Yoruba. Tí a bá wá kíra wa tán, tó bá jẹ́ wípé a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ pàdé ni, lẹ́yìn tá a bá kíra wa tán, a ó sọ orúkọ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbìyànjú. Ẹ káalẹ́ o, orúkọ mi ni Adéwùmí. Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé láàárọ̀ ni, a ó kíra wa. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o, orúkọ mi ni Adéwùmí. Now you try. Orúkọ, name. Orúkọ mi ni Adéwùmí. Kí ni orúkọ rẹ?
Orúkọ mi ni Adéjì.
Kí ni orúkọ rẹ o?
Adéjì.
Orúkọ mi ni Adéwùmí. Kí ni orúkọ rẹ?
Orúkọ mi ni Adéjì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Nígbà tí a bá kíra wa tán, tí a sì sọ orúkọ wa tán, tó bá ti yá tá bá ti ń lọ, ó dàárọ̀, good night. Now you finish introducing yourself. You finish greetings. Ó dàárọ̀, which is good night. Tàbí ó dàbọ̀, which is goodbye. Now you try. Ó dàárọ̀ o.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀ o.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Okay. Now always remember, báwo ni is used for people that are younger than you and the people of the same age group. But when you want to say the greetings to people that are older than you or the people you are meeting for the first time, people that you are not familiar with, professional settings, you cannot say báwo ni. You have to say ẹ káàárọ̀. tàbí ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ tàbí ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ sọ orúkọ yín. Orúkọ mi ni Adéwùmí. Ó dàárọ̀ o, ó dàbọ̀. And these are the greetings in Yoruba. And always remember, you can try this in your home. Now, when you wake up in the morning, tell your parents, ẹ káàárọ̀ daddy, tàbí ẹ káàárọ̀ mommy, ẹ káàárọ̀ sir, tàbí ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Ẹ káàsán sir, tàbí ẹ káàsán ma. Ẹ káalẹ́ o, ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Good evening, my friends. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ̀yin àbúrò mi. Good evening, my younger siblings. These are the Yoruba greetings. So now, before we go, we are going to do the song which I love so much. Yoruba culture believes so much in songs. And the songs goes thus. Ó di òwúrọ̀, good night, or until morning. Kí a sùn re, may we sleep well. Kí áńgẹ́lì Olúwa, may the angels of the Lord ṣọ́ gbogbo wa, protect every one of us. Láyọ̀, láyọ̀, là ń lọlé. With joy, we are going home. Là ń lọlé, we are going home. Là ń lọlé, we are going home. Láyọ̀, láyọ̀, là ń lọlé. With joy, we are going home. Kí Olúwa ṣọ́ gbogbo wa. May the Lord protect every one of us. Now, let's sing it. Ó dòwúrọ̀, kí a sùn re, kí áńgẹ́lì Olúwa ṣọ́ gbogbo wa. Láyọ̀, láyọ̀, là ń lọlé, là ń lọlé, là ń lọlé. Láyọ̀, láyọ̀, là ń lọlé, k'Olúwa ṣọ́ wa pọ̀. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Ó dìgbà kan náà, ó tún dijọ́ mẹ́jọ nígbà tí a ó máa pàdé ní orí ètò kíláàsì Yorùbá láti ọ̀dọ̀ ACAV Foundation. Ire o.